So I'm going to write 0 petals. So if we don't have anything, so we are going to write that as 0 petals. Do you understand, children? Shall we see one more example? Okay. So how many balloons do we have, children? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. So how many balloons are there? 3. So I am going to write 3. Then see this. Here how many balloons do we have? Shall we count? 1, 2. So how many balloons are there? Yes, we have 2 balloons. Then we are going to next. Here how many balloons do we have? 1. We have only 1. So I am going to write 1. Then see the last one. Do we have any balloons here? Here how many balloons are there? There is no balloons. If there is no balloons means how we can represent? Yes, we are going to represent as 0. Okay children? See here, I am going to write 0. If we don't have any balloons, we can represent that as 0. Okay children? Now do you understand the concept of 0? Okay. In last class, we have learned numbers from 1 to 9. If we have given any objects, we can count from 1 to 9. After 9, what will come? Do you have any idea? Okay, shall we count it right now? See here we have number of chocolates. So I am going to count this chocolate. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, what will come, children? Yes, we will get 10. So 10 is represented as 1, 0. This is 10. How we will represent it? 1 and 0. So this is represented as 10. Okay children? Now we are going to see place value. Okay children, what is mean by place value? Shall we see? The value of a number will depend on its place, and this is called the place value of a number. So for understanding place value, we have 10 as example. Okay children? In 10, we have 1 and 0. So we are going to take number from right hand side. From right side, the first number. Okay children? From right side, the first number is called 1. What it is? 1. Then the second number. See here, the second number is called tens. So 0. Here 0 is 1 and 1 is tens. For that, 0 is present in the first place, so it is called ones, and 1 is present in second place, so it is called tens. So the value of the number is depending on the place. Okay children? The value of the number will depend on its place. So this is place value of a number. So we are going to see this place value of 10 in a abacus form. Shall we see? See here we have drawn 2 lines. So this is ones and this is tens. See here in ones place we have 0. So I did not put any beads there. And in tens place see here we have 1. So I have put 1 beads in tens place. So this is the abacus form of the number 10. Okay children? Do you understand this? Children, now we are going to learn numbers. See here, numbers from 11 to 20. So we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 20. Shall we learn children? Okay, first we are going to count the number of balls. Shall we count? Okay, count with me. 1, 10 and 1 ones. So 110 plus 1 1 is 11. Okay children, now we will move to next one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and after 11 what comes? Yes, 12. So we represent as number 12. Now its number name 12. T W E L V E 12. So its expanded form is 10 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have 110 and 2 ones. So 110 plus 2 ones is 12. So we will move to next one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after 12, what number will come? 13. So we represent this number 13. So the number name is T H I R T E E N 13. So its expanded form is 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have 110 and 3 ones. So 110 plus 3 ones is 13. So next one, see here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So after 13, what number will come? 14. So we have here 14 balls. We represent the numbers as 14. Then see the number name. F O U R T E E N 14. Now shall we see its expanded form? See here, 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many tens do we have? 110 and 4 ones. So 110 plus 4 ones is 14. Next see here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, what number will come? Yes, 15. So we write this as 15. Now see the number name. F I F T E E N 15. Now see the expanded form. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have 110 and 5 ones. So 110 plus 5 ones is 15. Okay children, from 11 to 15, do you understand? Now we will move to next one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15, what number will come? 16. So this is the number for 16. And see the number name. S I X T E E N 16. Shall we see its expanded form? See here, 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have 110 and totally 6 ones. So 110 plus 6 ones is number 16. Okay, children? See here, next one. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 16, what number will come? 17. So this is the number for 17. And see its number name. SEVENTEEN. 17. Now see its expanded form, children. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have 1 10 and 7 ones. So 1 10 plus 7 ones is 17. Now shall we see next one? See here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 17, what number will come? 18. So this is the number 18. Shall we see its number name? See here. EIGHTEEN. 18. Now see its expanded form. 10 plus 1 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 plus 1. So here we have 1 10 and 8 ones. So 1 10 plus 8 ones is number 18. Next one. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After 18, what will we say? 19. So this is the number 19. And number name MINETEEN. 19. Now see its expanded form. 10 plus 1 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 plus 1. So here we have 1 10 and 9 ones. So 1 10 plus 9 ones is 19. See next one, come with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19, what will we say? 20. So the number 20 is this. And the number name TWENTY. 20. Now see the expanded form. Here we have 10 plus 10. So here we have 2 tens. So 2 tens means number 20. Have you all understand, children? I hope you understand this. Children, now we are going to see place value for the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, what is mean by place value? Yes, place value means the value of the number will depend on its position. So that is place value. See here, for 11 we are going to write in a abacus form. Okay, in one place what do we have? we have 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead. See here children, I have drawn 1 bead. And in tens place, what number we have? We have 1. So again I am going to draw 1 bead in tens place. So in ones place I have drawn 1 bead, and in tens place I have drawn 1 bead, because we have 1 in ones place and also 1 in tens place. Now the place value. See here, we have 1 10 and 1 ones. So 1 10 and 1 1. Okay children. Now see for 12. What do we have in ones place? We have 2. So I am going to draw 2 beads in ones place. 1 2. So I have drawn 2 beads in ones place. Then what we have in tens place? We have number 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead in tens. So we have 1 tens and 2 ones. So 1 10 and 2 ones. Do you understand children? Now see for number 13. What we have in ones place? Yes, we have 3. So I am going to draw 3 beads in ones. 1 2 3. So in ones place I have drawn 3 beads. And look at tens place. What we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead. See here. So I have drawn 1 bead. Here we have 1 10 and 3 ones. So the place value is 1 10 and 3 ones. Do you understand children? Now we will move to number 14. See here, what we have in ones place? Yes, we have 4. So in ones place, I am going to draw 4 beads. See children, 1 2 3 4. So in ones place, I have drawn 4 beads. Then look at tens place. What we have? See and tell. Yes, we have 1. So in tens place, I am going to draw 1 bead. So see here, I have drawn 1 bead. So the place value for right NC 1 10. We have 1 10 and 4 ones. So 1 10 and 4 ones. Next we will move to number 15. In ones place, what do we have children? Yes, we have 5. So I am going to draw 5 beads. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So in ones place, I have drawn 5 beads. And in tens place, what do we have children? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead. See. So I have drawn 1 bead. Now it's time for place value. We have 1 10 and 5 ones. So I am going to write 1 10 and 7 ones. Next, what is this? Number 18. So what do we have in ones place? Yes, we have 8. So I am going to draw 8 beads in this ones column. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I have drawn 8 beads in ones column, and in tens place what do we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead in this tens column. So here we have 1 10 and 8 ones. So the place value is 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay children, now see what number is this? Number 19. So in ones place what do we have? Yes, we have 9. So I am going to draw 9 beads in this ones. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in ones place I have drawn 9 beads. Look at the tens place. What do we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to draw 1 bead. So here we have 1 10 and 9 ones. So the place value of the number is 1 10 and 9 ones. Okay children, now see here for number 20. In ones place what do we have? Yes, we have 0. So we should not put any beads in ones column. Then look at the tens place. What do we have? Yes, we have number 2. So I am going to draw 2 beads in the tens place. See here, 1, 2. So I have drawn 2 beads. So here we have 2 tens and 0 ones. So the place value of the number is 2 tens. 2 tens. Okay children, do you all understand? I hope you all understand this place value of numbers from 11 to 20. Children, now we are going to see an interesting activity. So we are going to fill this abacus with our beads. Okay children, first we will fill for the number 10. This is number 10. In ones place what do we have? 0. So in ones place we should not put any beads. So in tens place what do we have? Yes, we have 1. So in tens place I am going to put 1 beads. This is 10 in this abacus form. Children, now we are going to see the place value for 16 in this abacus form. In ones place what do we have? Yes, we have 6. So I am going to put 6 beads in this ones place. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in ones place I have put 6 beads. Then see in tens place what do we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to put 1 bead in this tens place. See here, 1. So this is number 16 in this abacus form. Children, see here. Now what number we have? Yes, this is number 13. So in ones place what do we have? Yes, we have 3. So I am going to put 3 beads in ones place. See here, 1, 2, 3. So in ones place I have put 3 bits. Now look at the tens place. What do we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to put 1 bits in tens place. So this is number 13 in abacus form. Now what number we have? Number 19. So in ones place what do we have? Yes, we have 9. So I am going to put 9 bits in ones place. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I have put 9 bits in ones place. Now see here, tens place, what number do we have? Yes, we have 1. So I am going to put 1 bits in tens place. So this is number 19 in abacus form. Children, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Now it's time for home assignment. See here, for your home assignment, have to complete page number 33, 34 and 35 in your maths textbook. So what is your home assignment? You have to complete page number 33, 34 and 35 in your maths textbook. Thank you children. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next